In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a TradingView watch list. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, managing your watch list efficiently can help streamline your trading activities. So let's dive right in and focus on how you can export your watch list quickly and easily. First, you want to open your watch list. When you're on the TradingView platform, focus your attention on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the watchlist panel. Simply click on it to open up your list of tracked stocks or other financial instruments that you're currently interested in. It's all about being organized, and the watchlist is like your personal trading assistant. Next, you need to enter what's called the Advanced View. In the watchlist window, look out for an option that says Advanced View. Usually you'll find this near a small plus icon on the right side of the window. A quick click on this option will change your view, giving you more detailed insights into each item on your list. This view is crucial because it offers more functions and tools that are essential for exporting your data. Now that you're in the advanced view, the next step is to locate the export option. Here's where it gets interesting. Once you're in this section, you'll see a table displaying all your quotes. In this table view, you're going to look for an icon with an upward pointing arrow. This arrow is labeled Export List, and it's your gateway to downloading your data. When you see that icon, go ahead and give it a click. This action triggers the downloading of a file containing your current watch list. It's a straightforward process, but it's a powerful tool because of the benefits it offers in terms of data management and analysis. Now, why would you want to export your watch list? First and foremost, exporting acts as a secure backup. Whether it's due to technical issues or accidental data loss, having a backup ensures you're not starting from scratch. Second, exporting allows you to broaden your analysis. By transferring the data into a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you can delve deeper into analytics and comparisons, potentially uncovering trends or insights you might not spot at a glance. Lastly, it's a fantastic way to share information. If you have colleagues or fellow traders who are curious about your market picks, you can easily send them your watch list. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently export your TradingView watch list. Not only does this keep your information safe, but it also enhances your ability to analyze and share data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.